The National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, or NGCP, says if the maintenance program for this year was followed, then there shouldn't have been a need to raise the red alert status, especially since the shutdown of 19 power plants yesterday was not planned, and it is still not sure whether other plants would be forced to an emergency shutdown. Meanwhile, Meralco explained the company is dependent on the advisory of the NGCP when it comes to power outages.
Iwanagin natin na yung mga power plants na naka-forced shutdown, hindi naman yan sabay-sabay. I'm looking at the data right now. Meron tayong mga planta na maliliit na mula nung August 2023 pa. So ilan tong 2023 na nag-outage, nasa 4 sila. Tapos yung iba, Enero pa lang, yung iba Marso, pero marami talagang mga plantang ngayong Abril, beginning April 4 hanggang April 16 na nag-shutdown.
Ang demand ng kuryente sa Luzon Grid ay pinakamataas during the second half of May. So we're still in the middle of April, so between now and the second half of May, we can expect the demand for power to continue to increase. So we're hoping that the power plants can continue to operate reliably.